Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by checking your Android version and available storage on the device. Open Settings and find About Phone to read Android 8, 0, 9, 0, or 11 versions. Free at least 1 GB of space to avoid installation errors. Backup app data to Google Drive or a local SD card now. Record your device model and Play Store version for support reference. These steps prevent data loss and save time during later fixes. Go to Settings, then Apps, and choose Google Play Store. Tap Storage and clear cache and clear data to remove corrupt files. Next, uninstall Play Store updates and reboot the device to reset compatibility checks. Open Play Store and let it update itself to the latest version. Also check system updates in Settings and install any available Android updates. These steps often restore compatibility without installing third-party files. If Play Store fixes fail, consider safe sideloading from trusted sources. Download a compatible YouTube APK around 40 to 60 MB that matches your Android version. Enable Install Unknown Apps temporarily and install the APK. Alternatively, use Chrome to access YouTube, COM, or install NewPipe as an open-source option. After installing, disable unknown app installs again for security. Finally, test playback and sign in, and remove any APK file when finished to keep storage clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.